Hi, I'm Ryan Hudson and welcome to Introduction to WordPress. I'm going to be your guide, and over the next 11 lessons, we're going to cover a bunch of topics that frankly, I wish I had someone explain to me when I first started using WordPress over 10 years ago. If you're new to the world of WordPress, you're in the right place. We've found that so many users get tripped up when taking their first steps with WordPress, and without a full understanding of the basics, many give up due to frustration. This course is broken into 11 easily digestible lessons. The first few lessons will look at what WordPress is, what makes it such an amazing choice for publishing your website, and lays down some of the key terminologies you're bound to come across. In the second part of this course, we'll dive into all of the key elements you need to consider when beginning to work on your website and walk you through your options when choosing where to build it. Lastly, we're going to give you a complete checklist that will help you successfully launch your new WordPress website. I'm pumped to be working with the team at Elementor to bring you this free course. So grab a snack, strap yourself in, because this is going to be one awesome ride.